Let's take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin real quick. All right, so here's what we were watching yesterday. We had resistance, 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 giving us this downtrend going down like this. I was saying if we could break this downtrend going to the upside, then maybe, well, the next spot that we'd have to break is that Fibonacci retracement level at .339. If we could break that, then we can start targeting the next Fibonacci retracement level going up at least at .394. So we did break that trend going sideways. Usually what I'll do when it breaks going sideways is I'll look at the top and then I'll look at the bottom, something like that. If we break one of these trend lines going up or down, like if we break this one going up now, or if we break this going back down, this, I think if we break going up, then that'll confirm that we are going to start hitting up. And if we break this one going down, then I think even breaking this trend didn't really matter. But the other thing I was looking at is we have resistance, 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 support, 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 giving me these other two trend lines right here. So I'm basically watching these trend lines, waiting for a breakout again. I mean, we broke it going sideways first. Let's see if we could break it going to the upside now and see if we could start moving back up. If we break this going down, then like I was saying, I'd probably say let's draw the bottom. Maybe that'll be the next place it goes to. I mean, it's possible we're doing something like this right now. But yeah, if we break this one going to the downside, the next target or the next limit order that I've had that I've been talking about for a while is .294. I think if we do break this going down though, I wouldn't be surprised if we went even lower than that. I'm not really sure. That's just what I'm thinking. Like, that's just what I'm feeling right now. But I do have a limit order at .294. Let's see if we could at least come down and hit that limit order. I've had it for a while, ever since this area down here, where we came up and then we started coming down. I thought we were going to hit that limit order back over here, but we never did. So I've had it ever since that area over there. But yeah, pretty simple. Just watching this resistance line, watching this support line. If we break it going up, that's going to be bullish. If we break it going down, I would still wait for this one. If we break that one going down, then we might see us either hit this Fibonacci retracement level or maybe even go lower. That's just what I'm thinking though. Let me know what you guys are thinking. If you guys want to watch the last video where I was talking about some of this other stuff, watch it right here. And if you guys are new to trading, check out this playlist right here. All right, if you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one.